Hi, Melissa Halsey here, and today we're going to talk a little bit about our invocation for 2024, which is presence in the moment. It's about being fully present in each moment. So since 2014, Spirit has given me every year at the end of the year, before the beginning of the new year, a new invocation, and ask that I share this invocation and that we repeat this invocation daily. And each time that you decide to repeat it, whether it's in the morning or in the evening before you go to bed, or stopping midday or several times during the day, each time you repeat it 3 times in that moment. And I've noticed that as the years went by, the invocations really tied in with what was happening universally in this rising of the collective consciousness into a new frequency. It really went along with kind of what we needed in the moment to help us get there, to help us maintain this new collective consciousness, new frequency together in a more balanced and equitable way. So this year's invocation was about being fully present in the moment. And the invocation goes like this: breathing in, I am present. Breathing out, I let go of the past. Breathing in, I am present. Breathing out, I release worrying about the future. I am aware. I am awake. I am fully present in this moment, practicing mindful awareness. Breathing in, I am fully present. Breathing out, I am fully present. And so we would go on to repeat this 2 other times to complete the use of the invocation. And as you're going through it, you recognize that Spirit is having you focus on the breath, breathing in, breathing out. And you recognize that everything is in the cycle of the breath. The breath in expands you. The breath out contracts you. The breath in, you're taking in the awareness of this moment. The breath out, you're letting go of the past. You're letting go of the past. And as you go further and you practice the mindful breathing in the moment, you are being fully present in the moment, more fully present in the moment, because you've let go of the past and you've let go of worrying about the future, and you've found a way to simply be with your breath in this moment. And so it kind of ends with the breathing in, I am fully present. Breathing out, I am fully present. So using the I am aspect in it kind of magnifies that awareness of our full consciousness, our full awareness, our higher self. And it makes a statement that's really a powerful statement. So the beginning phrases: breathing in, I am present. Breathing out, I release the past. Breathing in, I am present. Breathing out, I let go of worrying about the future. It's almost like training your mind to be aware of that you're not fully present all the time, that you're worrying about what's going to come up, that you're thinking about what happened. And then you go into the next part, breathing in, that you're fully present in the moment and that you're practicing the mindful awareness. And then you go into the last part, which is breathing in, I am fully present. Breathing out, I am fully present. And once you repeat that a full 3 rounds, it shifts the energy in the body, it shifts the consciousness, and it shifts you to that higher frequency that is so powerfully coming into the earth right now. So my advice is to practice that or something similar that will keep you full present in the moment and will help you maintain that equanimity of being able to observe things without getting pulled into deciding that they're good or they're bad, without getting pulled into labeling things and getting pulled into polarizing. So to stay fully present in the moment, we suggest that you try our WisdomWord mantra for 2024, full present in the moment. Blessings.